Hi friends, today we are going to see this video, how to make a 3D text on your mobile phone using pixelLab. Download pixelLab application on your mobile from the Play Store. Open pixelLab application. Application once opened, the editing window appeared. Double tap the new text or click the pencil icon for type our texts. Type your text. Here, I am typing our channel name. And click OK button. Your text appeared in our window. Click the A icon on your bottom of screen. A new small pop-up menu open now. The text editing tools are here. Click the AA icon for change the text font. The font names list are open. Now select any one of the following font. After select the font, click the stroke tool. Tap the enable button and click the tick option. Now click the inner shadow tool and tap enable option and click OK button. Now click the 3D tool and tap the enable button. It's helped to convert the text on 3D format. Finally click the square icon for change the background. Click the transparent tool once. Text image is converted to PNG format. Finally click the save icon and click the save as image option. The saving window now opened. Here, change the dimensions level. Click Ultra option and save the image. Now use this text for creating videos or others. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.